In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a recurring Zelle payment on Chase. We'll walk through this together step by step so you can confidently stop a scheduled transfer before it sends again. Start by opening the Chase mobile app on your phone or go to the Chase website in your browser. Sign in with your usual credentials and complete any verification prompts. A stable internet connection helps here so each screen loads quickly and you can see the most current information. Once you're in your account, look for the pay and transfer option. This is the hub for sending, scheduling and managing payments. Tap or click that and then choose Zelle. Zelle is where your person-to-person transfers live, including any recurring payments you've set up to send on a schedule. Inside Zelle, head to the activity section. This is where you can view what's already sent, what's pending, and most importantly for us, what's scheduled for the future. If you don't see activity right away, scroll or look for tabs that separate recent activity from scheduled items. Find the recurring payment you want to cancel. It should display the recipient, the amount, the frequency, like weekly or monthly, and the next payment date. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct one, especially if you have multiple recurring transfers or similar amounts. Tapping into the payment details usually gives you a clearer view before making changes. From the payment details, choose the option to edit or delete. If you select edit, you'll typically have the choice to cancel just the next upcoming payment while keeping the schedule active for future dates. This can be useful if you only want to skip one cycle. If you select delete, that ends the schedule entirely, stopping all future payments to that recipient under this setup. The app or website will usually ask you to confirm, so read the prompt carefully and continue to finalize your choice. After you confirm, return to the activity section to double-check the status. The recurring payment should either disappear from upcoming items or show as cancelled. Remember, this stops future transfers. It doesn't reverse any payments that have already been sent. If something is about to process very soon, timing matters, cancellations apply going forward, and that's it. Your recurring Zelle payment is now cancelled on your Chase account. If you ever need to restart or adjust it, you can set up a new schedule in the same Zelle area under Pay and Transfer.